Good morning students. Today in this video we are going to learn about the story of the road, unit 6, class 3 marigold by NCERT. Right, the main elements of this video is digital reading, explanation, new words and meanings along with the sentences. Now for a few seconds I request all of you to observe these pictures. Right, observe these pictures very nicely. What you can see in this picture? So here the sleeping road, newspaper boy, then crow, sparrow, school going children, smiling road is there in this picture, and that indicate that this is the morning time when children are going to school. And here the newspaper boy distributing the paper. Now let's start the reading of read the story. The story of the road. It is early morning. The road is asleep. Everything is quiet. But listen, the birds are calling softly. Chirrup, 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 say the sparrow. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Cow, 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 says the crow. Cow, 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 wake up, wake up. Here is someone else now. Tringling, tringling. It is the newspaper boy. Tringling, tringling, says his bicycle. Tringling, wake up. Chirrup, chirrup, say the sparrow. Chirp, chirp, cow, cow, say the crow. Wake up. Who is this coming now? It is the vegetable man. Peas, cauliflowers, cabbages, says the vegetable man. Potatoes, cucumber, radishes, carrots. Cow, say the crow. Wake up. Chirp, chirp, say the sparrows. Tramp, tramp, tramp. Chatter, 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 chatter. Who are these? They are children going to school. Chatter, 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 talk the school children. Tramp, 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 go their shoes. Peas, carrots, cabbages, calls the vegetable man. Chirp, 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 say the sparrows. Cow, cow, say the crow, wake up. Cow, cow, says the crow. Cow, cow, wake up. Wake up, asks the road. Can't you see, you foolish bird? I am wide awake. Now let's understand the story of the road. So here in this chapter, this is the time of early morning, right? यहाँ पे आपको early morning का time दिखाया है. So the road is asleep, right? So road कब सोता है? Early morning the road is asleep. Asleep means it is sleeping. Everything is quiet. So सब कुछ बहुत शांत है. But listen, the birds are calling softly. But the birds are calling softly. They say chirp, chirp, chirp. Say the sparrows. Right? Sparrow जो है वो chirp, chirp कर रही है. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Cow, cow, cow says the crow. और crow जो है वो cow, cow कर रहा है. Cow, 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 wake up, wake up. यानी कि स्पैरो एंड क्रो दोनों ही अपनी आवाज़ से रोड को उठाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. हियर इज समवन एल्स नाउ. ट्रिंगलिंग, ट्रिंगलिंग. नाउ देयर इज समवन in this video there is someone else now come here and the voice is tringling, tringling. Means tringling, it's a voice of a bicycle. Now ट्रिंगलिंग, ट्रिंगलिंग सेज द बाइसिकल. बाइसिकल की आवाज़ आ रही है ट्रिंगलिंग, ट्रिंगलिंग यानी कि वेक अप. द बर्ड सेज चिर्प चिर्प चिर्प, स्पैरो फिर से चिर्प चिर्प कर रहा है. एंड क्रो से काव काव वेक अप. नाउ हु इज दिस कमिंग नाउ? इट इज द वेजिटेबल मैन. अब जो है वो वेजिटेबल मैन आ रहा है. एंड इट शाउटेड लाइक पीस, cauliflowers, cabbages, says the vegetable man. Now he says potatoes, cucumber, radishes, carrots, right? वो ऐसे चिल्ला के बोल रहा है. Now cow says crow, wake up. Now फिर से जो क्रो है वो काव काव करके रोड को उठाने की कोशिश कर रहा है. चिर्प 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 सेज द स्पैरो. और स्पैरो भी क्या कर रही है? चिर्प चिर्प कर रही है. राइट. सो स्पैरो की आवाज़ है चिर्प चिर्प. देन क्रो की आवाज़ है क्रो क्रो. देन न्यूज़पेपर बॉय आ रहा है, उसके बाइसिकल की आवाज़ है ट्रिंगलिंग ट्रिंगलिंग. नाउ द वेजिटेबल मैन इज कमिंग एंड ही इज शाउटेड फॉर the name of vegetables like peas, cauliflowers, cabbages, potatoes, cucumber, radishes, carrots. Right. So now tramp tramp tramp, chatter chatter chatter. Who are these? Now पैरों की आवाज़ आ रही है और चैटर चैटर यानी कि बातें करने की आवाज़ आ रही है. Now who are these? तो ये कौन है? So they are the children going to school. So ये जो है वो स्कूल जाते हुए बच्चे हैं. Chatter 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 talk the school children. तो ये chatter जो बातें कर रहे हैं वो स्कूल जाते हुए बच्चे हैं. Tramp 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 go their shoes. और उनके पैरों की आवाज़ है वो tramp tramp, वो अपने शूज़ से कर रहे हैं. Peas, carrot, cabbages, call the vegetables man. नाउ वेजिटेबल मैन जो है वो फिर से बोल रहा है पीस, कैरेट, कैबेजेस. बर्ड्स है, स्पैरो जो है वो बोल रही है चिर्प चिर्प चिर्प. एंड काव काव सेज द क्रो. और क्रो जो है वो फिर से काव काव करके वेक अप यानी कि रोड को उठा रहा है. काव 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 सेज द क्रो. और फिर से जो क्रो है वो काव काव कर रहा है. नाउ वेक अप, आस्क द रोड. अब जो क्रो है वो रोड को बोल रहा है वेक अप. देन कांट यू सी यू फुलिश बर्ड, आई एम वाइड अवेक. राइट. सो रोड से फुलिश बर्ड आपको पता नहीं है, मैं ऑलरेडी जाग चुका हूँ. नाउ लेट्स सी द न्यू वर्ड्स. द फर्स्ट वर्ड इज न्यूज़पेपर, अ प्रिंटेड पब्लिकेशन containing news, articles, advertisement, etc. And the sentence is I read newspaper daily in the morning. Next word we have cucumber. Cucumber means a long green skinned fruit. I eat cucumber as salad with my meals. Next is cabbage. As you can see in the picture, a vegetable with green leaves. A man was selling fresh cabbage on a cart. Next word we have potatoes. A round starchy vegetable. Potatoes are tasty to eat. Next word we have radish. A small root eaten raw with salad. And the sentence are we bought fresh radish from the farm. Next word we have cauliflower. A cabbage with small white flower buds. And the sentence is we should eat cauliflower to be healthy. Next word we have foolish. Unwise. We should stay away from foolish people. So we learn words like newspaper, cucumber, cabbage, potatoes, radish, cauliflower, foolish. Right? So here we end our chapter. Thank you.